Model 8355 from LiftMaster. It is internet adaptable with MyQ. You can run this off of your iPhone. You can open and close your door from anywhere in the country. You can keep a log on when your door is open or when your door is closed. Anything you need. And if a plumber or a serviceman needs to come to your house and you're at work, this is what you need. You can hit the button, they can come in, do their work. When they leave, they call you and tell you, and you can close your door. You know exactly how secure your home is. Right now you're listening to the MyQ 8355. It's running. It's very quiet. I don't think you'll find one more quiet in the country.